there are people who want to chase money. And when you chase riches, when you chase riches, you leave a bill. You know, when you chase wealth, you leave a will. But when you chase your destiny, you definitely, when you chase your destiny, you're definitely going to leave a legacy. So for me, I have crossed the path of riches, building wealth, and I've now entered the door of legacy. And I think it's my time to impact that. I won't be able to be saying what I'm saying or doing what I'm doing when I'm 60. And I know that right now I have the energy, I have the spirit, I have the power, you know, I have the passion, I have the concentration to do these things. And I want to be able to advise people that, look, people might have tried and failed, but people have to keep trying. Some people will get it at the time, within a time frame. Some people maybe decided at the wrong time. Some people thought of it at the time they could have done it, but they waited and tried to do it later and it didn't work. I am the man that think that when the time is the time, I go for it. I work with timing. And I want to tell the nation also that, look, I'm not someone that is running around trying to sell some political vision to become a president, okay? I'm not a politician. I am a risen leader, okay? And you can tell from the things that I've done, you know, I'm in my 40s, but I've managed to create landmarks in the country. I've managed to invest. I'm building industrial platforms. I'm doing things that would change us from having a 92% importation into the country, which is really extracting our economy into other people's country, and then balance it with the power of exportation by making sure that the manufacturing and industrialization level makes the world need that, so we can become a part of the global economy. Now, I can do this with or without. And I can do this by being either the president or still being the private sector. The only thing that I think needs to happen to make this happen easily is that we need emergence. We need emergence, a straight support from the government, and a direct input from the private sector. Not for us to rather look at the government as the private sector, and we, the private sectors, are looking up to the government to give us a contract before we do something. No. We have to start building skills. We have to start building industrializations, factories. There's so many people who are leaving universities. They need jobs, you know, and we need to create those jobs. It's happening in China. It's happening in America. It's happening in Dubai. Everywhere. You have to create jobs. And so our mission of coming in here is to create a middle-class economy. This middle-class economy will put us on an international standard development. Okay, people will start to see that the average person is getting an average wage.